here's how to write the letter J in cursive. Starting down at the bottom with our capital J. Like we do with a bunch of the other letters, we're going to loop up and over. This time we're going to go below the line, looping up and meeting in the middle, then coming up. So it's almost backwards from the letter F, kind of. So we'll come up, loop up and over, keep going down, looping up, and bringing it up to connect to the next letter. Up and over, all the way down below, meet in the middle, loop over. Up and over, down below, meet up, loop over. Up, down, up, and over. Here you go. Then the lowercase j. So you're going to start with connecting with the next one or down below at the bottom. You'll bring it up to the dotted line, go below, curve over, and up. So it'll start kind of like an I, where you go up, then down, but you'll bring it below and curve around. Up, down, curve. Up, down, curve, and dot. Up, down, curve, and dot. So just like the letter I, when I'm writing a word with a J in it, I'm going to continue writing the rest of my word first. And then I'm going to go back and dot my J. J, E, L, L, Y, then dot it.